Good morning. I'm Krista Oakes, and this is your Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. And this Monday, I want to share with you a little portion of a keynote speech I gave last month. And in that speech, I talk about the concept of surrender, of having some faith and just kind of getting out of your comfort zone and trusting that when you do that, things will work out as they should. And this isn't always easy because it's hard to get out of your comfort zone. And it could be something like, I don't know, having a hard conversation or just changing the way you eat, but it could be something bigger. Maybe you want to change your job. Maybe you want to move. Maybe you may want to make a change in your relationship. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be just simply deciding to go to a yoga class that you're not sure what that's going to be like. But getting out of your comfort zone, having some faith and surrendering to the outcome is a really important tip to practice on a regular basis and to incorporate in being more mindful in your life. And here's that clip. I hope you enjoy it. Namaste.
But I really had to have faith in something greater than myself, not knowing what the result of my life was going to be. Now divorced. I had to just surrender. I had to release any idea of what was going to happen in my life next. That might be God, it might be nature, it might be your higher self. It doesn't matter what you call it. But I do believe that having faith is important. If you've ever imagined a baby bird in a nest, it's safe. Comfortable and warm, you're safe. But at some point, that bird has to leave the nest. And I bet we've all felt times where we're like, this is really safe and comfortable here. I have no idea, no desire to see what's out there. But that bird, at some point, goes to the end of the branch and takes that leap and just spreads its wings. Doesn't know where it's going to land, doesn't even know how to fly, doesn't know if it can fly, but takes that leap. So I took that leap. I spread my wings, and I just said, okay, this is what I have to do. I'm going to have to figure this out. I'm going to have to this is my chance to make my life what I want it to be.